This is our power diagram. So for this power diagram, we have to sketch the control diagram. So this is start delta motor starter. For this start delta motor starter, we have to sketch the control diagram because this is a power diagram, the way how we can supply power for it. And the next step is we have to sketch the control diagram. So to design a control diagram, we have to take single phase. So this are RST, red, yellow, and gray color. This is RST. So we bring 220 from this either of these three lines, and then we connect neutral at the bottom section, and then after we can build it. So come here and click in the wire, and then we have to take wire from top to down here. Okay, that's the first thing in the control diagram we have to do is to bring fuse. Okay, look at here from the reference, we have to bring fuse. So to bring fuse, click in icon menu, fuse and circuit breaker, then select fuse, and then here. Alright, so this is a fuse. The next step what we have to do is bring thermal overload relay, because in our reference we have normally closed thermal overload relay. Then click on the icon menu. Under icon menu we go to motor section. Under motor we have to click for normally closed overload, thermal overload. So come here, and what we have to do is overload, thermal overload, normally closed, contact. Okay, right. So the next step is we have to bring, in our reference we have closed push button here. So click on icon menu again. So under icon menu we have to go to push buttons, click on push button. So we have normally closed push button here. So let's connect in this point. Okay, this is push button and then normally closed, then okay. All right, so this is normally closed push button. Now what if the next step is normally open push button? Click on that icon menu. Then under icon menu again we go to push button, and then the push button we can select normally open push button. Click here. Okay, this is normally open push button, and then okay, then yes, update. Alright, so the next step is we have to bring the latching circuit for holding purpose. Click in wire, click in here, and again then down here, then bring to here. This is for latching purpose. We have to bring the coil, the main contactor coil, normally open in here. So again icon menu. Under icon menu we have to go to motor section, motor. The motor we have normally open contacts here, so bring here normally open, and then make it KM1 normally open, then okay. Look at this is normally open, KM1. Here we have KM1, which means the main contactor. We have to bring connector for that point, icon menu. Then under icon menu we go to connectors and terminals. So under connector and terminals we have to bring here we have main contactor, main contactor, okay, main contactor. And then this is KM2, no, KM1. Then okay, so look at this is main contactor KM1. And again, what we have to do is we have to bring wire at this point. From this point to here, we need to bring wire. Okay. And again, we have to bring neutral wire. Neutral wire from this point to that point. Enter. And these are unnecessary points. We have to trim out this, but trim that cable trim. Click in here and click in here. Then escape. And the next step what we have to do is between this main contactor and star contactor we have multi-purpose timer. For that case we have to bring wire from this point to this. Okay, then enter. Next we have to bring multi-purpose timer. Click on this icon menu, and under icon menu we have here on delay timer. So click on delay timer and connect here, or we can make it on delay timer or multi-purpose timer in here. Multi-purpose timer, and we're gonna update this. T. And then okay, this is a multi-purpose timer. So we have a multi-purpose timer in here, and the next point is to connect the star contactor. Click on wire and bring the star wire. So for the star wire, first thing is according to the reference we have here, normally closed timer. Click in here, normally closed timer. So let's go to icon menu, again go to timer, click in timers. Here we have normally instantaneous, normally closed timer. Okay, then bring here. Okay, so normally closed timer, normally closed contact coil, then okay, so normally closed one. The main multi-purpose timer, normally closed coil is connected in here. The next thing what we have to bring is the star connector. So icon menu and go to connector. So let's bring this one. What we have to do is this is star contactor. Star contactor. Okay, star contactor. Then we have KM3. Then okay. So KM3 star contactor. And at the middle we bring the interlocking circuit here. So we'll bring it at the end. The next point what we have to do is connect wire again. Let's bring wire from this to here, then enter. Then what we have to do now is normally open timer coil here. So go to icon menu, then go to timer, and then normally open. Where is normally open? We have normally open timer coil. Let's bring normally open timer coil here. Okay, this is timer, multi-purpose timer, and normally open. Then okay, this one is open coil. And the next thing is we have to bring again the delta contactor KM2. So go to icon menu, and under icon menu what we have to do is terminal and connector, and then go to here. Let's bring the contact point here. This is delta contactor, delta contactor. And then where is KM2? Let us bring this KM2. Then okay, look at this delta contactor. This is KM2. And the next thing what you have to do is the interlocking circuit. So look at here. So we have under star, we need a delta contactor normally closed, and here star contactor normally closed. So star, the timer coil is interchanging for the interlocking purpose. So look at here, go to icon menu, then go to timer, and then normally close timer here. So clicking in instantaneous close, and let's bring here. So timer AT3, and then what you have to do is normally close. Okay, so this is KT3, means the delta contactor. No, sorry, this is K2. Sorry, this is K2 because 2 is delta contactor. Then okay, so again what we have to do here is then again go to icon menu, then icon, then click on timer, then normally close from both. Instantaneous normally close. You come here, this is K3. KT3, and then normally close. Okay, so KT normally close and KT normally open. So here normally close, here normally close. This is for the sake of interlocking purpose. So in generally what left in our circuit diagram is nothing. We have done everything. Then we have to tag the number. This is the neutral line, so let's bring the wire number here, wire number, then we can make a sequential, and this neutral capital N, then pick number. So now this is the neutral line, and from the top we have one phase 220, and this is all about the circuit, the control circuit here. KM1, KM3, KM2. Here we have KT coil, KT. The working principle we have to know here is automatically when this push button pressed or energized, the current flow passes through this direction, and instantaneously the delta contactor and the star contactor energizes, and then it takes maybe for 5 up to 10 seconds according to the setting time in the multi-purpose timer, and then after the star contactor gets off and the main contactor and the delta contactor proceed throughout the operation. So this is the way how we can draw the schematic control diagram as well as power diagram for the star delta motor connection. If you have any question regarding to this tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section below. God bless you. I'll come back with another tips, another tutorial like this. Don't forget to subscribe and be a family. See you soon. Bye bye.